Hello, coding adventurers. Welcome to our journey where we will build a brave knight project, a survival game where our hero Sir Pixelet dodges falling rocks. But every knight needs a sword, and every coder needs a code editor. Head over to code.visualstudio.com. This is where we will write the magic spells. I mean, the code that makes our game work. Click that big download button and install it just like any other program. Once you have VS Code open, we will need one special power up. Look at the left side for an icon that looks like four squares. That's the extensions menu. Click it and search for live server. It's the one by Ritwik Day. Click install. This tool is magic. It lets us make changes to our code and instantly see them happen in the game without reloading over and over.